today is the last day before the day that is to be the day. And you can see this is where I've been sleeping. And yeah, I'm exhausted, so tired, just want to sleep. But it is what it is, and it is coming and creaming and creaming and creaming.